Due to its incredible versatility, WD-40 multi-use product is an essential tool for any industry professional. It cleans, protects, lubricates, penetrates, and displaces moisture. It uses a carbon dioxide propellant rather than propane butane used in a lot of aerosols, meaning it's full of usable content. So when the can says 450 ml, excluding propellant, you get 450 ml of lubricant. WD-40 multi-use product is perfect for a range of uses, such as maintaining machinery, cleaning and protecting metal surfaces, lubricating and protecting moving mechanical parts, precision lubrication, displacing moisture, and maintaining mechanical mechanisms. WD-40 multi-use product can be used on a wide range of materials such as metal, wood, plastic, rubber, and glass, so it's ideal for everyone, from toolmakers to service engineers. Fast application, effective, guaranteed to save time and money. Job done.